Today I went on a quick ride right after this crazy snowstorm. It was sketchy to say at least, but somehow I managed to survive. And afterwards I linked up with Leo and GG to go have some fun in the snow. So, follow along.
Whoa! Shit looks crazy! I wanna go down there. Oh, drift in the corner! My tire is going to be so sad after this day. Alright, here we are. Let's explore this mine. I have never been down here. Actually, all of this is new. Oh shit! Bro, imagine there are like explosives laying under here, and they go off as I ride. Woo! That's the best wheelie I can do today. Whoa! Holy shit. Cat featuring Yamaha. This is huge. I wonder how this machinery works. I don't even know, bro. And this, I'm lost. I don't know how this works. It looks like it's going like this, but I don't know. Imagine riding enduro with this. Bro, imagine. Look what it says. Machine is remotely operated, can start without warning. I got the Bluetooth starter. Oh my god. Imagine it starting right here. I would die out of fear. Whoa. Bro, if this ain't enduro, I don't know what this. Okay, this looks funny. This looks funny. Ah, f***. Whoa! Whoa, that was deep. Whoa! No way. Yeah, easy, easy. Whoa! Let's go!
Okay, right about here, my GoPro died. But anyways, I met up with Leo and GG and shit happened. Watch this.
Sjuk alltså. Vad har vi här då?
Vi har en 4E FE, en husvana.
FE? Okej.
Det är det var.
Monster. Wow!
där. Oh. Ska jag lägga 9 knockar också? 360.
Wow!
Ja, nästan. Där är jag.
Wow!
Det är Grislandaren. Oh my god.
No way!
Oh. What the fuck?
Oh! Wow!
Och det där var fan.